Hello Year 5, happy Friday. This is your Big Maths session for Friday the 15th of January. Today in Big Maths we are doing a CLIC challenge. So just like we were doing class, this is going to be 10 questions linked to our Big Maths skills for this term. And as we would normally do in class, you need to do this independently. That means not working with somebody else, not asking somebody else for help, whether that's an adult or a sibling or anybody who's around you. Make sure you're doing it independently. So have a go by yourself. And as I would also say to you when we do this in class, this is the first CLIC challenge we're doing on CLIC level 16. And so there will be some things on there that we have covered before, but there'll be a lot of things on there that we haven't covered in our Big Maths lessons. So I'm not expecting you to know all of them. In fact, you might only know a couple of those questions and get them correct. That's okay. I would still like everybody to have a go at every single question, okay, out of those 10. So there might be some that you think, I'm not exactly sure what to do, but I can have a go based on something that I already know or based on a question I've answered before that's similar to that. Have your best go at all 10. Please don't panic if you find it tricky, because this will just give you a baseline score to see if you can improve next time. So if you got 2 out of 10 today, then next time we do it, you might improve that and get more of those answers correct. Okay, so nothing to panic about. But for me, it's really helpful because it gives me an idea of what are the areas that as a class we need to work hard on over the next term to make sure our CLIC skills are really fantastic. Okay, so do it independently, have a go at all 10, even if it's hard, and don't panic if you don't know all the answers, because it probably means we haven't done it yet. Okay, so you can either write on the sheets by printing it out. I will try and send it out to you, or you can pause the video and have a go in your book at answering all 10 of those questions. Just be careful, particularly if you're looking at the screen, about which symbol is which. So for example, on question 3 here, this is a division symbol. And on question 9 here, this is a division symbol. They do look a little bit like subtraction symbols if you don't look carefully. And then on question 8, this is a subtraction symbol. Okay. So read the questions carefully, have a go, do your best, and then you can play the video again when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, Year 5, well done. If you've pressed play again, then I'm hoping that means you've had a go at all 10 questions independently by yourself, trying your best, even though some of them are things that we haven't covered together yet, and not feeling bad if there are things that you found tricky, because remember, we will learn them as we go through the term. So I'm about to show you your answers, and a really good tip would be to change your pencil for a different colour or for a different coloured pen to check your answers. Please be honest when you're checking, do ticks and dots honestly. Don't feel like you have to go back and change an answer, because I'd really like to see what you can honestly do by yourself, even if you've made lots of mistakes. I'd really like to see, as a class, what are the things we know and what are the things we don't. So here are your answers. You can pause the video to check your own and do your ticks and dots, and then you could give yourself a score out of 10. Remember, as I've said, if that's 0 out of 10 or 1 or 2, that's fine. Okay, it might be more than that, or it might not be. That's absolutely fine. Okay, I just want to see what you can do. I'd like you to, once you've checked, take a picture of what you've done either in your book or on the sheet and upload it to your Class Dojo page so I can have a look and see which skills we need to focus on as a class and get really fantastic at our Big Maths skills, which we know help us with lots of other areas of maths learning. So check your answers and upload to Class Dojo. Well done, Year 5. I know you've had a fantastic week. You've been working really hard and flying high in your maths learning. Don't forget to upload what you've been doing. We love having a look at it. And remember, you can also be practicing your times tables on Times Table Rockstars, and you'll learn its facts as well to make sure your mental maths is staying really, really sharp. Have a fantastic rest of your day and have a lovely weekend as well. I'll see you on screen very soon.